boys and girls, I'm Miss Sparkle, and today we're going to be learning about the sound that the letter D makes. This is a letter D, and D sounds like D, D, D. It's very quiet. We don't say duh, we say D, D. So we have our pictures. D, dog, can you say it? Dog, D, duck, D, duck. Dinosaur, dinosaur, and deer, deer. Which one of those is your favorite thing? Which one of those is your favorite D word or D picture? I like that too. Okay. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Sing it with me. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Oh, let's find out of our mystery box. Oh, we have a, what is this? Dog. You say it, dog. And we have a, what's this? Dinosaur. You say it, dinosaur. And we have our, what's this? Duck. Oh, I like to eat these. What's this one? Yes, a donut. Donut. Oh, and we have, if you put all these up in a row and you can crash them down, it's a domino. Can you say it? Domino. This one is probably my favorite. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. And they swim in the ocean. You're right, the ocean. Dolphin. And I have a capital D and a lowercase d. There we go. There's our mystery box. Now, if you have a printer at home, you can do this activity with me. Hit the pick button that I think says more on it, and you can copy this off and you can do this with me. Okay, let's go over what we have. Dolls, dolls, dog, dog, elf, elf, grape, grape, horse, horse, duck. Ooh, only 3 of these say a D sound. What about doll? Doll. Did that say D? Did that say d? It sure did, so color your dolls. Oh, I sure wish my favorite D word was in here. I wish my dog was in here. Oh, I love my dog. Do you have a dog? Color your dolls. Color them beautiful. Okay. And then we have a dog. Dog. Does that sound like at the beginning? Yes, it does. I'm going to keep mine white because my doggy is white. But you can color your dog any color you would like to. Your favorite color dog. What about clown? Clown. Does that sound like at the beginning? Nope, it sure doesn't. So we're going to make an X on it. What about grape? No, it says G. What about horse? Horse. Nope. What about duck? Duck. Yes, it does. And I'm going to color its feet orange. And have you ever seen a mallard duck? They kind of have lots of different beautiful colors. They have like greens and browns, and so I'm just going to kind of make it, try to kind of make it look like a little bit of a mallard duck. Most ducks we see are white though. Okay, Now we're going to cut out only our D pictures. And I'm going to make sure that my scissors, the big one's at the bottom, little one at the top, 2 fingers down, thumb is up. There we go, elbows up. I'm gonna cut only my D pictures. There we go. Got those, and my duck. There we go. And if you're going to make a headband, you're going to be really careful, and you're going to cut straight across all the way down, because we're going to save that piece for our headband. Save that. I'm going to cut out the headband part on the black line. Now, if you've seen other videos of mine, you might have already seen my dog. Her name is Rose. Rosie Posy Girl. She's my favorite dog. Okay, now, remember when we glue, what is it? It's a secret. We don't want anybody to see our glue. So we're gonna make teeny tiny dots of glue. So, tiny, tiny dot. Tiny, tiny dot. Tiny dot. We just need so tiny. Can you see that? It's so tiny. And it doesn't even drip down the page because it's so tiny. And it's so strong, it's going to hold my pictures. I put it down and push it down. Put my picture down. Push it down. Push it down. Then I'm going to color my D. And I'm going to color my D, let's see, purple. You might like to make it 2 colors or 3 colors or even the whole rainbow. Here we go. Now, if you don't want to make a headband, maybe you want to make a bracelet. Ooh, that would be cool. So you would take this and curve it around and just glue it really tiny right here. Now my hand is too big, but your hand would fit. So let's see what it would look like if I could make a bracelet. And I'd have a D bracelet. Wouldn't that be cool? Be like, sparkle power activate. That would be awesome. Okay, but I'm gonna make a headband. So I saved my little piece, right? And I'll make a tiny dot on one side, tiny dot on the other side, and I glue one piece down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here's the tricky part. Remember, we have to take this, bring it under and over. Glue it right there on top of there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, make sure it's really good. Now remember, if it's oozy, you're not gonna wanna put this on your head yet till it's all dry, because you don't want glue in your hair. That is not fun. Now, mine's ready. So I have a D crown. We learned about the letter D and what sound it makes. What sound does the D make? Duh, duh. That's right, duh, duh, duh. And I have my crown. Boys and girls, I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel, and maybe you could even share it with a friend. That would make me so sparkly happy. Until next time, peace, love, sparkles.